Jai Hind children, welcome in your maths class. Let's start question number 9 today. See this question. It is 5 to the power minus 3. Express each of the following as a rational number. So I am writing question number 9. First part children. Okay. 5 to the power minus 3. This we have to express as a rational number. 5 to the power minus 3. Now you know that if there is a negative exponent, if the power is negative, then first we have to make it positive and then we can express it in the rational number or integer or whatever is being asked. So first we will write down its reciprocal, then the exponent, then the negative power, the exponent will be converted into positive one. See this, 5 by 1, 5 I can write it as 5 by 1 to the power minus 3. Children, it is same as this. Now make it reciprocal, so it will be 1 by 5 to the power 3, 1 by 2 to the power 3. Now if you will expand it, it is 1 to the power 3 and 5 to the power 3. This is 1 to the power 3 is 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1. 5 to the power 3 is 5 into 5 into 5. 3 times we will multiply. So it is 125. This is the final answer. The answer is in rational number. Now the answer, this exponential form question is now converted into rational number. Okay. 1 into 1 into 1. Here 5 will multiply 3 times. So the answer is this. Now let's see the next question children. Next question is third part. 1 by 4 to the power minus 4. Third part, 1 by 4 to the power minus 4. Write down children. Write down the question. Question is 1 by 4 to the power minus 4. 1 by 4 to the power minus 4, and this is third part. Third part. Let's see the board work. Now it is in negative. The power is, the exponential is in negative. Negative exponent is there. So we have to make it positive and then we can find our answer. So 1 by 4, the reciprocal of 1 by 4 is 4 by 1 to the power 4. Now the negative is now converted into positive. Negative is now converted into positive when you will make the reciprocal of it. Okay. Now expand it children. 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 and 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64, 64 4 ja 256, 2 divided by 1, or simply you can write it as 256. Okay children, 4 to the power minus 4 to the power 4 is 256. Now let's move to the next part. Next part is fifth part. 3 to the power minus 3 to the power minus 1. Okay, write down the question children. Fifth part, minus 3 to the power minus 1 into 1 by 3 to the power minus 1. 3 to the power minus 1, minus के साथ है बेटा, and 1 by 3 to the power minus 1. Now how we will solve this? So first of all see the power. Is it in negative or positive? It is in negative. So we have to make it positive. इसको हमें positive रहना होगा. And same here. This also we have to make it positive. Minus 3 can be written as minus 3 by 1. माइनस 3 कैन बी रिटन एज माइनस 3 by 1. मैम ने और कुछ नहीं किया है, बस 1 डिनोमिनेटर में लगा दिया बेटा, इंटू 1 by 3 to the power minus 1. अभी तक कुछ नहीं हुआ है, only I have put this one as denominator. Now इफ यू हैव टू मेक इट पॉजिटिव, -1 को पॉजिटिव बनाना है तो यू हैव टू मेक द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ द नंबर इनसाइड इट. सो इट इज 1 by -3. माइनस ये माइनस रहेगा बेटा. ओनली द पावर माइनस विल गेट पॉजिटिव. दिस पावर माइनस विल बिकम पॉजिटिव 1. ठीक है, ये पावर में जो माइनस था ये पॉजिटिव हो गया. ये जो अंदर का नंबर है दैट इज नेगेटिव नंबर -3, ये तो वही रहेगा -3. इसी में बच्चे कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं कि इसको भी नीचे लाएंगे तो पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा क्या. नहीं, ओनली द पावर विच इज इन नेगेटिव इट विल बी बिकम्स पॉजिटिव व्हेन यू डू द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ गिवन नंबर इनटू दिस इज 1 by 3, so 3 by 1 to the power 1. Now open this. So it is 1 by 3 -3 into 3 by 1, or multiply the numerator 1 into 3, multiply the denominator -3 into 1. ठीक है, ये कट जाएगा है ना. So the next part is it visible? Yes. 3 1s are 3 upon -3 into 1 -3, or simply 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. This is -1 by 1. नीचे आपका -1 आएगा तो आप इसको बाद में लिख सकते हैं और -1 by 1 और -1. दिस इज द राइट आंसर. ठीक है, ये -3 आपका उसके साथ ही जाएगा, इसको पॉजिटिव नहीं करेंगे आप. यू विल ओनली कन्वर्ट दिस पावर विच इज इन नेगेटिव. You will convert this negative into positive. Only this one. Next is question number 7. 7 is 5 to the power -1 minus of, let me write the question. You also write down in your notebook, children. 9 fifth का seventh part. Seventh part is minus 5 to the power -1. 5 to the power -1. No, not into, it is I think plus. Yes. No, minus. 7 to the power -1. 7 to the power -1. Whole to the power -1. Whole to the power -1. So now what we will do? We will solve the value which is inside the bracket. पहले हम ब्रैकेट की वैल्यू को सॉल्व करेंगे ना. So कैसे बेटा? It is in negative, the power is in negative, we have to make it positive. इसको हमको पॉजिटिव बनाना है. So the next step is 5 और 5 by 1 लिख सकते हैं, 7 को 7 by 1 भी लिख सकते हैं. It is same. So it is 1 by 5. 1 by 5 to the power 1 minus 1 by 7 to the power 1. Now see the power is now positive. पावर क्या हो गया? पॉजिटिव. कैसे हो गया? 5 by 1 को हमने लिख दिया 1 by 5. 7 by 1 is now its reciprocal is 1 by 7. Power is now positive. Minus sign is there. ये माइनस साइन रहेगा. होल टू द पावर -1. ये अभी है बेटा, इसको अभी हमने चेंज नहीं किया. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल सॉल्व द ब्रैकेट पार्ट. पहले ब्रैकेट के अंदर जो भी है वो सॉल्व होगा. 5 by 1 is 1 by 5 with positive power. 7 by 1 is 1 by 7 with positive power. Now when you will open it, this is 1 by 5, power 1 वही आएगा, minus 1 by 7 to the power -1. इसको अभी हमने कंटिन्यू रखा है. फर्स्ट वी विल सॉल्व दिस. सो नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई और टेक एलसीएम. 7 1 जा 7 minus 5 1 जा 5 upon 5 into 7, 5 into 7 to the power -1. To the power -1. Now the next part is 7 minus 5 is 2 by 7 5s are 35 to the power -1. Now it is in rational number. Now we can make the negative exponent into positive exponent by making its reciprocal. So 2 by 35 can be written as or not or equal to 35 by 2 to the power 1. 35 by 2 to the power 1. This is the final answer. और किसी की भी power 1 है तो वही वैल्यू आएगी 35 by 2. This is the answer. Next is 7th. After 7th, this is 9th. In 9th part, you have to divide. Okay, we will divide it. So we will solve the innermost bracket. First, let me erase my board. Let me erase my board, children. Question number 9. 3 by 2 to the power minus 1. 3 by 2 to the power minus 1 divided by minus 2 by 5. Minus 2 by 5 to the power minus 1. Okay. 3 by 2 to the power minus 1 minus 2 by 5 to the power minus 1. Check the question first and then start doing. In this curly bracket, inside this bracket one more bracket is there. So first of all we will solve it. Then we will open the bracket first, then we will divide. Okay. So in this 3 by 2 to the power minus 1 is there. So first of all we will solve this negative power. We will make it positive. So 3 by 2 can be written as 2 by 3. 2 by 3 to the power 1 divided by, again this will be, we will make the reciprocal because the power is negative. So it will become 5 by minus 2 to the power 1. Now next step, children, to the power 1 means, see, only reciprocal I have done. 3 by 2 हो गया 2 by 3. यहाँ पे minus 2 by 5 हो गया 5 by minus 2. ये जाएगा, ये minus sign will remain with it. Only this negative power will become positive. Now this is 2 by 3 divided by 5 by minus 2. You know how to solve this? When you open this bracket, it means you are dividing it. So next step beta, 2 by 3 will remain same. Divide will change into multiply. And minus 2 by 5. इसको आपको reciprocal करना होता है. This you have done in fraction also, in rational number also. That how to divide two rational number. Keep the first rational number as it is. Divide will change into multiply, and you have to make the reciprocal of this. You have to write the reciprocal of divisor. 5 by minus 2 को minus 2 by 5 लिखेंगे. Now next step, solve this and then open the bracket. 2 2s are 4 minus 4 by 5 3s are 50. This is the final answer. Okay. Now let's see the next question. We have to go to next question, children. Next question is question number 10. Question number 10, children. So now we will start writing question number 10 first part. Write down question number 10 first part. Children, I hope you all are writing question number 10 first part. See this I have written. It is minus 1 by 4 to the power 2 whole to the power minus 2 and then to the power minus 1. 3 brackets are there. So we will open it one by one. From the innermost bracket we will open it. So first of all, see the innermost bracket. It is minus 1 by 4 to the power 2 into minus 2. So 2, you will write 2, this power into minus 2. Okay. And then this will be left. Minus 1. When you will open this, what will happen? Minus 1 by 4 to the power minus 4. 2 2s are 4 but minus sign. And this is minus 1 outside the bracket. When you will open it, children, this one, so minus 1 by 4 to the power minus 4 into minus 1. Minus 1. Power will multiply with the power. Why? Because the brackets are there in between them. इनके बीच में bracket है. 2 and minus 2 के बीच में bracket है. So it will multiply. Same way, minus 4 and minus 1 के बीच में bracket है. So it will multiply. This you will write the law also. Why you are opening this? This is a by b to the power m to the power n. A by b to the power m to the power n is equal to a by b to the power mn. This is the law, because of this law. So keep writing the law. Why you have opened this? What you have used here? Why 2 is multiplying with minus 2? Because of this law. When you will write it, na children, whether you are doing in rough notebook or in your classwork notebook, please mention it. Then it will be learned to you automatically. Now next step is minus 1 by 4 to the power minus 4 into minus 1 is 4 ones are 4, minus will become plus. Now you can see the power is in positive. So we will not do the reverse order of the rational number. We will take it as it is, but we have to convert it into simplest form. So its answer is minus 1 to the power 4 and 4 to the power 4. Minus 1 to the power 4 is 4 and 4 to the power 4 is 256. Earlier also we have done. 4 to the power 4 is 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. 4 times you will multiply. So the answer is 256. And this is negative term. When the negative term you are multiplying 4 times, it will become positive. अगर आप negative term को आपस में 4 times multiply कर रहे हो, 4 negatives are there, so it will become positive. और अगर 3 times करते, odd number of times, 3 times हो या 5 times हो, so the answer will be negative. Okay. See the next question, third part. Write down the third part. Question number 10, third part. This you have to simplify. You have to simplify. जब तक आप simplify कर सकते हो. Simplify it. Now minus 3 by 2 to the power 3. Minus 3 by 2 to the power 3. Minus 3 by 2 to the power 3. And then what is there? It is plus. Plus minus 3 by, it is plus or it is division, children? Let's see this. It is division, na? Okay, let me check it from your book. Let me check. Children, it is division. So 10th question, third part. See it. Minus 3 by 2, it is a rational number having power 3, and one more rational number minus 3 by 2, its power is 6, and we are dividing them. हम क्या कर रहे हैं? उनको डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. सेम रेशनल नंबर minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Same rational numbers are there and we are dividing them. So their power will be subtracted. 3 minus 6 we will write. Okay. So minus 3 by 2 to the power 3 minus 6. Here you will write by using a to the power a by b to the power m divided by a by b to the power n is equal to a by b to the power m minus n. This you will write, children, ki what is the reason? Because of this. Now same rational number and we are dividing, so their power will be subtracted. Now next, 3 minus 3 by 2. 3 minus 6 is minus 3. Negative 3 will come. Okay. When you will subtract 6 from 3, minus 3 will come. So now next step is, it is in negative, so we will make them positive. We will make the exponent in positive. So minus 3, how it will become plus 3, children? When you will do the reciprocal of this. It will be 2 by minus 3 to the power 3. Now you can see the power is now positive. Power is now positive. 3 by 2 is now 2 by 3. Sign will go along with it. Now next step, 2 to the power 3 is 2 into 2 into 2 and 3 to the power 3. Next step, it should not be the next step. Next step is this, 2 to the power 3 and minus 3 to the power 3. Okay. Now 3 will be the power of both. Now next step, 2 into 2 into 2 divided by 3 minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. So now when you will solve this, 2 to the power 3, 2 into 2 into 2 is 8 by minus 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27. Minus 27 will come, children, because there are 3 negatives. So 2 negative will get positive, but there will be one more negative. So minus 20, or you can write it as minus 8 by 27. This is in standard form. Now keep the negative sign in middle. Keep the negative sign in middle. That is, it is negative rational number. It is negative rational number. Okay. So this is the solution. See the next part. Question number 11. Question number 11, children. By what number should minus 5 to the power minus 1 be multiplied so that the product is 8 to the power minus 1? Okay. So question number 11 I am doing now. Question number 11 is, by what number should minus 5 to the power minus 1 be multiplied? By what number should minus 5 to the power minus 1 be multiplied to get minus 8 to the power minus 1? This is the question. By what number should minus 5 to the power minus 1 be multiplied? ये किससे multiply हो to get? By what number should this minus 5 to the power minus 1 be multiplied to get minus 8 to the power minus 1? So let the number be x. Let the number to be multiplied be x. Let the number be x. So if you will multiply minus 5 to the power minus 1 with x, this you will write it as, okay. Now next step is, keep x on this side. Minus 8 to the power minus 1 is already on this side. It is in multiplication with this. When it will be transposed to other side, it will be divided. ठीक है, ये क्या है? This one is in multiplication with this. This one is in multiplication. So when you will transpose it to other side, it will be divided there. So divide by minus 5 to the power minus 1. Now children, we will solve it. How we will solve it? Equal to, this can be written as minus 8 by 1 and this can also be written as minus 5 by 1. Yes. Now minus 1 is in power. So minus 1 is in power means we have to make it positive. So it will become 1 upon minus 8 divided by 1 upon minus 5. Now the power is positive. You can write it as this. Now the power is positive. Power is positive. Next step, 1 upon minus 8 to the power 1 is this one only, divided by 1 upon minus 5. Power is 1, so the answer is this. Now we have to divide these two things. So keep the first rational number as it is. Divide will change into multiply and reciprocal of this one. So the answer is minus 5 by 8 minus 8 or 5 by 8. This is the answer, children, because minus and minus will get cancelled. Minus and minus will get cancelled. ठीक है, पहले नेगेटिव को पॉजिटिव बनाया, कैसे? बाय मेकिंग देम रेसिप्रोकल. minus 8 by 1 है तो 1 by minus 8. This is minus 5, so it will be 1 by minus 5. Now उसकी पावर 1 है बेटा, तो same answer will come out. You have to divide. So keep the first rational number as it is. Divide will change into multiply and reciprocal of this number. 1 by minus 5 का reciprocal is minus 5 by 1. Do the multiplication. 1 into minus 5 is minus 5. Minus 8 into 1 is minus 8. And minus minus will get cancelled out. Okay. Next question. Question number 13. By what number should this be divided to get 6 to the power minus 1? Okay. So let's see question number 13. This exercise is a little bit lengthy, so I am not able to complete it today. We will complete the important question in next class, but I hope I will able to complete till 15th question. So 13, 14 and 15, all three questions we will do. By what number should minus 30? By what number should minus 30 है बेटा, to the power minus 1 be divided? ये किस नंबर से डिवाइड हो? To get 6 to the power minus 1. To get 6 to the power minus 1. See the question. By what number should this minus 30 to the power minus 1 be divided? ये किससे डिवाइड हो? To get 6 to the power minus 1. Okay. So now what we will do? We will take, let the number be x. Let that number be x. So minus 30 to the power minus 1 divided by x is equal to 6 to the power minus 1. Let that number be x. Now this is in division. This is in division means this can be written as this also, children. See, divide. It is equal to 6 to the power minus 1. So when it will go to that side, it will be multiplied. It will be multiplied. So when this x will go to that side, because x is in denominator, now that's why we are shifting it to other side. So when it will go to other side, it will be divided with it. 6 minus 6 to the power minus 1 be divided with this. And x is there. It is in division, so it will multiply there, children. It will multiply. Divide will change into multiply sign when it will transpose to other side. Now we have to transpose this 6 to this side. So minus 30 to the power minus 1 divided by 6 to the power minus 1. Now we are transposing this 6 to the power minus 1 to this side. 6 to the power minus 1 को हम जब इधर लेके आएंगे, it is in multiplication, so it will go for division. It will go for division. Now our next step is to make the negative power into positive power. Then only we can simplify. So the next step is, this can be written as minus 30 by 1 and this can be written as 6 by 1. Okay. Can we write? Yes. Minus 30 can be written as minus 30 by 1. So if you have to make the power positive, you have to make it reciprocal. So this will become 1 by 30 minus 30. 1 by minus 30. 1 by minus 30 divided by 1 by 6 to the power 1 to the power 1. Children, now the negative power will become positive power. This is now positive power and still we have to divide. Whole to the power 1 means the answer will be same. The answer will be same. When we will open the bracket, the answer will be same. Now simplify it. 1 upon minus 30. Divide will change into multiply and reciprocal of this number, second rational number. So now when you will simplify, 6 1 is 6 and 6 5 is 30. So in numerator 1 will come, in denominator minus 5 will come, or you can write it as minus 1 by 5. Minus 1 by 5. This is the answer, children. Minus 1 by 5. 1 by minus 30. This will be reciprocal. 6 will go in numerator now. And when you will simplify it, 6 5 is 30. And then minus 5 is in denominator. So we can write it as minus 1 upon 5. Okay. Next question is question number 14. Write down question number 14, children. Question number 14 is interesting, children. It is different, that's why I am doing. Otherwise it can be for your homework, but it is different, so we will do it. Now 3 by 5 to the power 3. 3 by 5 to the power 3, okay, into 3 by 5 to the power minus 6. 3 by 5 to the power minus 6 is equal to 3 by 5 to the power 3 by 5 to the power 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1. This is the question. See it. 3 by 5, 3 by 5, 3 by 5. Same rational number. And here we are multiplying. In LHS part we are multiplying them. same rational number, 3 by 5, 3 by 5, and its power is there. So if you will multiply any same base, their power will be added. Their power will be added. So this will become 3 by 5 to the power 3 plus minus 6 is equal to 3 by 5 to the power 2x minus 1. Children, 3 plus minus 6 will become minus 3 here. Next step, 3 by 5. When you will solve it, 3 and minus 6, it will become plus. It will subtracted and it will be minus 3. Okay, minus 3 is equal to 3 by 5 to the power 2x minus 1. Same rational number on both sides. There is an equality sign. There is an equality sign. We have to find the value of x which is in power. हमें power में जो value है वो निकालनी है. Now can you see this, that equal to sign is there, means whatever value is here, same value should be there. Equal to sign means the same. जो भी value LHS में है, that should be equal to RHS. And the rational number 3 by 5, 3 by 5, base is same. Base क्या है? Same है. So it means what? Their power should also be same. Their power minus 3 and 2x minus 1 should also be same. They should be equal because of the equality sign. आप यहाँ पे एक लाइन लिखेंगे बेटा. Because of the equality sign, the LHS should be equal to RHS. In this case, base are equal. In this case, base are equal. Hence, the power should also be equal. So what you can write? Minus 3 is equal to 2x minus 1. ठीक है बेटा, पावर भी इक्वल होने चाहिए. इक्वल टू का साइन है, बेस इक्वल है, सो पावर शुड ऑल्सो बी इक्वल. सो पावर इज minus 3 and here the power is 2x minus 1. They should be equal. So minus 3, this minus will come to this side, will become plus 1 equal to 2x. Minus 1, when it will come to this side, it will become plus 1. So minus 3 plus 1, it is minus 2 is equal to 2x. Minus 2 is equal to 2x or minus 2 by 2 is equal to x. We have to find x ना. x के साथ 2 है, so 2 will be transposed to this side. 2 is in multiplication. 2 into x, 2 is multiplication. So when it will come to LHS, it will be divided. So 2 ones are 2. So minus 1 is equal to x or x is equal to minus 1. This is the answer. X is equal to minus 1. ठीक है. Whenever the power is given, whenever the value, when any variable value is given in the power, means you have to find the variable which is in power, which is in exponential form. अगर ऐसा कोई वैल्यू है, वेरिएबल है जो आपको पावर में दिया गया है ये, और आपको निकालना है, तो you have to focus, you have to think that let me make the base equal. Let me make the base equal. If the base will be equal, then power will be, we can relate the power. अगर base ही equal नहीं होंगे तो we can't relate. ठीक है. So base are already equal in this question. Already the base are equal. 3 by 5 यहाँ पे, 3 by 5 यहाँ पे भी 3 by 5. Bases are already equal. So means their power should also be equal. क्यों equal होंगे? Because of the equality sign. Equality sign है, जितनी वैल्यू उधर है उतनी वैल्यू उधर होनी चाहिए. Next is question number 15. Question number 15, children. Write down it quickly. Time is not with us. It is moving fast. Question number 15. Question number 15. Simplify करना है बेटा. 3 to the power 5 into 10 to the power 5 into 25 divided by 5 to the power 7 into 6 to the power 5. This you have to simplify. See the question. Sometimes the students may use the expanded method and they used to do it. That will be lengthy also, and if you have learned the laws, what is the use of it? कभी कभी बच्चे क्या करते हैं, इसको एक्सपेंड कर देते हैं, 3 to the power 5 को लिखते हैं 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 5 बार, फिर 10 to the power 5 को भी वैसे लिखेंगे 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10, फिर 25, देन डिवाइडेड बाय 5 को 7 टाइम्स लिखेंगे बेटा एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म में, एंड दे यूज टू कैलकुलेट इट जैसे जैसे सिंप्लीफाई होता जाए. नो, वी विल यूज आवर ब्रेन. वी आर इन क्लास 7th, नॉट इन द स्मॉलर क्लासेस, है ना. हम क्या करेंगे, वी विल अप्लाई द लॉ ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट विच वी हैव लर्न. कैसे? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स ओपन द कंपोज्ड क्वेश्चन. दिस वन 10 1. 3 is already simplest, base 3 already simplest है, this cannot be simplest further, but 10, base 10 can be simplified further. Base 10 can be written as 2 into 5. 5 2s are 10 होता है बेटा, base 10 and its power is 5. Then 25 is 5 का स्क्वायर, 5 5 जा 25. 25 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, 5 का स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय 5 is already simplest, 5 to the power 7. See the base 6, it is not simplest. It can be written as 2 into 3. 6 को हम लिख सकते हैं 2 3 जा 6, 6 to the power 5. ठीक है. Now open it. Next step. 3 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 5 and 5 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5 and 5 to the power 5. Then 5 to the power 2. ये 5 to the power 2. Then divided by children 5 to the power 7 into 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 5. मैम ने क्या किया, जो सिंपलेस्ट है उसको ऐसे लिखा, 3 कैन नॉट बी सिंपलेस्ट फर्दर, बट 10 कैन बी रिटन एज 2 into 5. 5 2 10 होता है ना, 10 कैन बी रिटन एज 2 into 5 to the power 5 है, पूरे का पावर 5. तो जब इसको ओपन करेंगे तो 2 to the power 5 and 5 to the power 5. ये सेम इन डिनोमिनेटर, 6 के लिए 2 into 3 लिखा, तो 2 to the power 5 and 3 to the power 5. नाउ कैन यू सी समथिंग विच इज मैचिंग इन न्यूमरेटर. क्या न्यूमरेटर में कुछ मैच कर रहा है, सेम बेस? यस, 5 5 एंड यू आर मल्टीप्लाइंग देम. तो आप पहले न्यूमरेटर का बेस मैच करो बेटा. 3 2 डिफरेंट है, तो 3 to the power 5 ऐसे लिखेंगे, 3 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 5 भी ऐसे लिखेंगे, बट 5 to the power 5 और 5 to the power 2 का मल्टीप्लीकेशन हो रहा है, बेस सेम, 5 5 बेस सेम, and we are multiplying them, so their power will be added. So 5 to the power 5 plus 2 divided by, in denominator 5 2 and 3 कुछ भी मैच नहीं कर रहा, तो we will write as it is. डिनोमिनेटर में कुछ भी मैच नहीं कर रहा. 5 to the power 7, next 2 to the power 5, next 3 to the power 5. ठीक है. Now next step children, next step see here. See here, 3 to the power 5. Now see the numerator and denominator. See the numerator and denominator. Is there any same base? 3 3. Yes, base are same. 3 3. So we can write it as 3 to the power 5 minus 5. Can we write it? देखो मैं ऐसे लिख रही हूँ पहले, 3 into 2 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 7. 3 को 3 के नीचे लिख देते हैं, ठीक है, 2 को 2 के नीचे एंड 5 को 5 के नीचे लिख दे रहे हैं. एक्चुअली इसकी जरूरत नहीं है, बट यू मे गेट कंफ्यूज, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम राइटिंग. इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी टू राइट 3 by 3 एज इन दिस फॉर्म. नाउ कैन यू सी दिस, 3 and 3 base are same and you are dividing children. Base are same, 3 3 and you are dividing, so their power will be subtracted. Power subtract जाएगा, तो what is base? 3, power is 5 minus 5 into 2 and 2, base are same, same base लिख दिया, base are same, 2 and 2 and you are dividing. ये divide का साइन है ना, upon dividing ना, तो 5 minus 5 power will be subtracted into next 5 and 5 base are same and you are dividing children, you are dividing them. 5 and 5 base are same, so write 5 and write its power 7 minus 7, 7 minus 7. So 3 to the power 0 into 2 to the power 0 into 5 to the power 0. What will be the answer? 0? No. 3 to the power 0 is 1, 2 to the power 0 is 1, 5 to the power 0 is 1. So ultimately the answer is 1. Ultimately the answer is 1. इतना करने के बाद आंसर क्या आ रहा है 1. See, this is the law of exponent. ये क्या है बेटा? यूजिंग लॉज ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट. और जहां जहां आपने जो लॉ लगाया, जैसे यहाँ पे ऐड किया है, तो आफ्टर दिस स्टेप राइट डाउन a by b to the power m, ऐसे करके to the power n you are adding, same base you are adding. So wherever you have applied the law, write down the law in front of it. Till this part please complete, so that we can complete the next few questions. They are few, but it will take the time of whole period. So after this, next class will be your leftover questions of exercise 5A. Till then, take care.